Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Aloe Yoga Chill Hoodie. So this is an athletic heather gray, medium. Let's get into it. Wow. Seems like it lives up to its name. Seems like a pretty chill hoodie. Pretty thin, not super thick. Lightweight and good. Seems like it's good to work out in. Let's check out the front kangaroo pouch. It's chill. Let's check out the tag. Chill hoodie. All right, let's see. Here's the sleeves. And the left sleeve is where the small logo is at right here. Right around the shoulder. Yeah, it's pretty chill. It's pretty chill. Check out the back. Nothing special about the back. Check out the tag if there is a tag. Nope, no tag, but they have the brand around the neck. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think of this hoodie in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well, and catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.